As we approach the electoral year 2026, I call upon all Ugandans, both the voters and those seeking to join electoral offices, to avoid the politics of divisionism, politics of conflict. We must be united as Ugandans. Let us promote love to each other. We should not lose our humanism in wanting to be elected or to win elections. Let us be Ugandans. Let us be united. Let us promote a peace of forgiveness, a heart of forgiveness and reconciliation and dialogue. I appreciate the government of Uganda for gazetting today, 16th February, as a public holiday to commemorate our hero, Archbishop Janan Lum. Let us appreciate them. Also thank His Excellency, the President of Uganda, General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, for his pledge to develop this site. We are really so grateful. And I request that this pledge is fulfilled to uplift the status of the man we remember today. Let us appreciate His Excellency for that pledge. And so far what has been started, and also the Minister of Ethics and Integrity, and all those people are working together. I thank the President for his letter to me, and also extending his apology for physically not being able to come, but delegated our dear friend, Right Honorable Prime Minister Robin Anabanja, and she's always available. Whenever she comes, there is a message. So thank you so much for coming, and we appreciate God for the message you are bringing. It is very important to know that this is a state function. It's also a church function. We work together to support one another as we remember our Archbishop. He was the third Archbishop. He was staying in the house where I'm staying. So we have that passionate about this person. And so we appreciate the government for gazetting this day, but also reminding each other that this man whom we are remembering was the third Archbishop of Uganda. Let us keep what he valued. I thank the organizers, led by the Directorate of Ethics and Integrity, our provincial secretariat, and the rest of the teams for the job well done. I also appreciate my brother bishops and your spouses for coming in very big numbers despite this being a Sunday. Thank you very, very much. Let us appreciate the bishops and mamas. I thank my brother, retired Archbishop John Baptist Odama, for his physical presence, friendship, and prayers. Thank you very, very much. I also want to thank these retired bishops here. Would you stand up and we appreciate the retired bishop from this region? Thank you very much. Yes. Let us appreciate them. Thank you very, very much for the good work you did in this region. To God be the glory. I also want to appreciate Bishop Wilson Chitara for the good work. To God be the glory. Thank you for running up and down to ensure that we are all comfortable. Let us continue to imitate God's goodness by doing good, which is the theme for this year, Galatians chapter 6, verse 9.